What's going on, everybody? Game time here, and today I'm gonna take one for the team. You guys know I'm not crazy about opening these boxes that barely have any cards, but you know, every once in a while I feel like I should, just so you guys can see what's in it, you know, kind of just make sure that you are aware of what you're getting yourself into if you do buy one of these types of boxes. I'm not a fan, but that doesn't mean that other people can't be a fan. And you know, yes, there is a chance that I, get lucky and pull somebody really good. The odds are not good that that's going to happen, but it is possible, and that is why people buy these types of boxes. More and more people are starting to realize that these types of boxes are best suited for break situations, because the odds are really not with you when you buy a single box for yourself. But if you take a team and a case break, you know, I can't say for sure the odds are better, but it seems like they would be. So anyway, but still, every once in a while, I guess curiosity gets the better of me, and just want to take a chance, because, you know, at the end of the day, that's what all this is. You know, it's kind of a form of gambling. But there are boxes like, let's say, Donruss, where you know you're going to get inserts, you're going to get parallels, you're going to get some hits, and you're going to get a lot of base cards, and you know that there's some value there. So anyways, enough about that. Since this is going to be such a quick break, I thought I'd throw in a little mail that I received today. Here's this is some Contenders Draft Picks Basketball Theo Pinson autograph, numbered to 99. Ding-a-dale. I've actually got a couple of these in the store if anybody wants them. I think I've got it priced to move. A blue parallel Jamal Murray. A blue Bam Adebayo. Blue Jonathan Isaac. Blue Carmelo draft ticket, and another Carmelo. This is both variations, the white and blue uniform. And Marcus Derrickson autograph, and Ray Spalding blue draft ticket autograph. And that's all I got in the mail today, but I have lots more mail coming, so watch for more mail videos in the future. Alright, let's get into this. There's going to be 2 autographs and 1 mem card, including 1 rookie jersey autograph. 7 cards per pack, 2 packs per box, so just 14 total cards. I guess the key to everything is getting a good rookie autograph. If you don't get that, then you pretty much wasted your money. There are the odds if anybody's interested. As you can see, there are a million different variations and parallels to get of different colors: yellow, magenta, black, red, orange, green, gold, super prime. There's just all kinds of possibilities here. Got Josh Rosen on the packs. This is a very thin pack there, and this one I think has, it's not super thick, but I think this has the jersey card in it. Let's just go for this one. Actually, it doesn't really want to open. Alright, I have looked at a couple of breaks of this and seen that they're very good looking cards. And here's the first one, is Isaiah Oliver rookie card, not numbered. Autograph, Dallas Goedert to 199 sticker autograph. He's not a bad one to get. Good looking card with the big Eagles logo there on the back. My jersey card, Rookie jersey is Sam Darnold to 99, so that's not bad. Rookie jumbo materials. Darnold's definitely doing a good job this season. Here is an Amari Cooper red to $2.99. Arden Key blue rookie to $1.99. Yeah, these look really good. I'll give them that. And the last cards of this pack are Mariota and Crowder. So that is one auto, one jersey. So we're just looking for one more auto in this pack. Let's see who we get. Alright, we're starting off with a rookie of Denzel Ward. Looks like we have a redemption. Let me hold on to that. Extreme rookie Sony Michel, numbered out of 99. Devonta Freeman, red to $2.99, and a blue Joe Mixon to $1.99. Then we have an AJ Green base card and a Matt Ryan base card, and our redemption is Hayden Hurst, rookie swatch autographs red. Card number 8. So I'll have to wait for that one. I will get that put in. I don't know, what do you guys think about this box? So we got the Hurst red. I don't know if it being red means that it will be numbered. Sorry, had an interruption to pick it back up. So I was saying I don't know if the Hayden Hurst red autograph means that it will be numbered like this to $2.99. I'll have to check that out and see. But the Goddard autograph, not so bad. And definitely happy with the jersey. So I don't know, this is one of those meh boxes. Not bad, didn't knock my socks off, but I don't feel bad about it. I'm not crying tears in my beer either. So I don't know, it is what it is. Let's see, I'm trying to think what comes next. There's some stuff coming out, I guess Contenders baseball, that may be what I have next. And something else is about to come out. Of course, I can't remember because I'm trying to tell you guys. I don't know, but keep watching for the... Oh, I did get another case of 2017 Optic football. Try to get some more of those really good 2017 rookies. So watch for that coming up. Yeah, that and a couple other things I've ordered, and of course I can't remember. So anyways, I'm gonna quit blabbing on. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care, and I'll be back soon.